Alright, yo, what's up, YouTube? Sorry, guys. So, I just played a few minutes ago, and I saw that I couldn't find the train. Well, I found it, but I couldn't catch it, and I didn't find it while I was making a video. So, but now I know that to rob this train, basically, you gotta be at this station, and I got hopped on my friend Zay the game. His VIP had a VIP server jailbreak. I was like, yo, I need to see this without lagging. So I hopped on his server, and then just a few minutes ago, I wish I had recorded it. I was in the train robbing. I stole a laptop, a computer, but I didn't get the money because there's like a certain time limit before it goes through a wall, and then it made me fall through the map and killed me. So I didn't get the money. But basically what has to happen is that it doesn't come till it's nighttime, or if it just randomly starts raining. So I'm gonna put you guys on pause till I start hearing the train get closer. Oh wait, also as a cop, usually, like, I was playing as a cop a few minutes ago, also not off camera, but they had, like, in the, what do you call it, inside the train tracks, they had, like, pick up laptop, pick up cell phone and stuff, and it, like, was making it sound like how the museum does their bag, and I was like, yo, that's lit. But yeah, after this, guys, I'm gonna do a live stream on the streets too. But I just want to see, like, the update. I just saw it was out this morning. I'm like, I have to rob this train. I have to let you guys see me rob this train. So, like, yeah. So I'm gonna put you guys on pause till we get there. It's not here yet, but I want to see what happens when the train comes in. This is in the way. I want to see if, like, if it flings it or it just messes up the train. But I also kind of want to see it, but I also don't want to see it, just because of the simple fact that they actually, and they had some major improvements. See, like, if you're like me, you play on mobile, the train is super smooth now. You can actually get robberies on there. Like, you should usually, when you blew up the door for it, it would just blow you backwards. But now it's smooth. I just robbed it. That was the old train. They made it smoother. They made it smooth. It's like, I don't know how many times I could describe it. Another train is coming. I don't know if I should rob this one. Actually, yeah, let's do it. Because by then we'll have time. Does it have any red cards on it? I don't want to get on if it doesn't have any red cards. They keep putting trains without red cards. I'm glad I didn't get on that. But yeah, still quite a lot of time. Like, it came exactly at like 11 p.m. Like 11:11 p.m. So I'm gonna put you guys on pause so we get to there, or if it starts raining, then I'll unpause it and you guys can see me rob. But yeah, I think in the future they might, like, future meaning like probably 2 weeks, a month, 2 months, you know. I think they might add like a new car here or something, because it looks like it could be something right there. I hear this safe going off, but I don't want to go to get it, because by the time I go there, time goes by fast in this game. It's gonna just disappear, and then I'm gonna take too long to get back. But yeah, we're gonna successfully rob this thing. Yeah, we're still just hitting the moves while we wait. It's 7:44. It's 8 o'clock right now. Why did that scare me so badly? Alright. Oh, it's getting darker. I would go for that train that just came into the map, but I'm not gonna. And watch this one have red crates. Just watch. 90, I bet 90% of money that it's gonna, I knew it. And the reason I'm not going for that one is because it's already nighttime and more modern train might come. I want you guys have to see the inside. It's so amazing. So I love the developers that did this, bro. I mean, clearly bad. Simo, because I rarely see bad CC doing anything. No heat though. As I wait, and I wait. Boop around, boop. Should be coming by now. Well, actually, I said 11:11, so I'm gonna just put you guys on pause till I hear it. Think I hear it? Think this is it? Put you guys on pause just to be sure. Oh, come on. What? It never came. No, it's 1 a.m. I wanted to show you guys this so badly. It's messed up. Comes when I don't choose to record. How amazing. Yeah, you were Jemiski. So I'm guessing my train is delayed. A train has entered the map, but not the train I want to enter the map has entered the map. Hey, why it sound like that? Well, I guess we could just rob this train. We'll catch the other one the next time it comes. Let's see, like, look, I can just... Oh, wait. Look how smooth it is. Like, usually I would just fall out as soon as I like, open it. And I would fly back. Look, I'm about to see her take this 4K. That'd be dumb tight if it came right as soon as And I already showed you guys the control room and stuff in the other video. But this is not the train I wanted to go on. The other one that comes, you guys can see me rob it. Well, we're still gonna, don't think the video's ending here. Because you're wrong. We're robbing that train. I don't care if I have to wait 20 minutes to rob that train. We're robbing that train. Of course, the video's not gonna be 20 minutes. I'm talking about, you know. Alright, we got our 4K. Let's dip on this. Wait, we could rob it again? Wait. Am I stuck? Or... Cause of death, run over by a train. What an amazing way to die. Time is actually flying by. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up the Ferrari. Because that's the closest car to me. Well, a little close. sounds like this may be it. Thought I was hearing. Of course, this train keeps entering the map, but it's not the train I initially went to. Oh no, wait, I need to get out of this thing. Oh my god, no, I can't breach it without opening the door. Means I'm gonna have to stay until it kicks me off. Oh my god. The problem with the thing being too smooth, it doesn't push me out, so now I'm stuck in here. Because I didn't open the door, so I can't breach this. It's gonna show red. What the heck? Open door. Wait, did it open it? Or is it gonna show red? What the heck? The way I fell though. Man, I have to go back there. That was definitely it that I heard. I don't know if I hear it. It sounds like I hear it. Could have also just been a jet. Guys, okay, so I waited out a whole nother day. It's nighttime right now, so things should be coming. I feel if it don't come now, I'm gonna just have to end this. But I don't want to end it without robbing the new train. Put you guys back on pause till I hear it. Alright, so my boy Zay is up ahead. He said, so he's gonna tell me when it spawns. Then we finna rob it, so we just gotta wait for his word. Or ears, whichever one's come first. Wait, pause that, pause. Hey guys, so I'm gonna see if I can manually spawn. So we're gonna try to manually spawn. Yo, guys, we're in this. Yo, we robbing the train. Um, well, guys, you see that we robbed the train, but we didn't get the money successfully, but no, I'm not trying to do this without getting my money. Guys, I hear it. I know you guys just saw that. Well, guys, the only option. So you clearly can't just like stay there for a while when you're robbing, but I guess.